They're at the post. They're off in the Jacques Cartier Stakes. Parisi broke well, as did Pablo Del Monte. Black Hornet comes to join them to the inside in those white silks. Then we have Calgary Cat. Stack Deck is right there. In between horses is Choctaw Chuck, and on the far outside, Puntkruski. Then the Gray Bear, No Joke, and back trailing this field is Jose Seaview. And it's Parise ripping up the backstretch. And it's Parise in front, 21-4 for that opening quarter mile. And it is Parise with the 3 furlongs to go, being watched closely by Black Hornet in second. Pablo Del Monte is third. Stack Deck inches up on the outside, fourth. Calgary Cat gets a reminder from Eurico Rosa da Silva, but it's still Parise and Wilson as they turn for home. Parise rattled off a half in 44 seconds flat, playing Catch Me If You Can, and it's Parise as they come to the final furlong. He's looking strong. Here comes Calgary Cat. Calgary Cat is lunging at Parise, last 16th of a mile. Parise desperate. Calgary Cat surging. Here's the wire. He got there. Calgary Cat to win the Jacques Cartier Stakes to Parise with Puntkruski third.
No. All the way around, guys. Here, I gotta make sure somebody. Ben, we'll wait till after. There you go. That's all right. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's good. Bring him sideways. He's just a bit. I got a head, but that's about all. Bring him right across. Right across. Help him out. Bring him in, guys. Bring him in. Okay, guys. Okay.
Horse is dying, man.
Whoa.
Okay, horse is dying.
Be careful, guys. Watch
what they spin there.
Watch it.
Ben Hutzel, a member of the board of directors, Woodbine Entertainment, making the presentation to the winning.